But first, here at 6 o'clock, Tulsa attorneys accused of embezzling money from clients.
Attorney Fred Schrader faces 17 counts of embezzlement, fraud, and forgery, while former attorney Bill Anton faces 49. News on 6 crime reporter Lori Fulbright was in court and has our top story here at 6 o'clock. Lori?
Well, Scott and Terry, today's hearing was only for Schrader, and the first thing he did was fire his attorney and decide to represent himself. When Bill Anton lost his law license in 2007, Fred Schrader agreed to take over some of those cases since the two had been partners years before and currently shared a suite of offices. The Attorney General's office says Anton stole around $1 million from clients and Schrader around $155,000. James Jedry testified he hired Bill Anton to represent him in a motorcycle crash and was told Fred Schrader would handle any court stuff. Jedry says he didn't know his case had been settled or that a $60,000 check had been issued in his name and Schrader's. Jedry said someone forged his name on the back of that check and he never received a dime. Mark Tate testified he hired Anton for a personal injury case and was also told Schrader would handle the court duties. He also said he didn't realize his case had been settled or that a check for $7,500 had been issued. He said someone forged his name on the back of that check and he never received a dime. Billy Kahn testified he hired Anton for a disability case that was later settled for $56,000 after Schrader went to court for him. He says he didn't know a check had been issued to him and Schrader. He said someone forged his name on the back of that check. A check prosecutors say was then deposited into Schrader's account. The Attorney General's office says Anton and Schrader were working together to take money that was meant for clients. Schrader, though, made it clear through his questioning of witnesses that he blames any forgery or theft on Bill Anton and even believes Anton forged Schrader's signature and advertised falsely for clients under Schrader's name. The government has 6 more witnesses to call, so the case will likely finish tomorrow when a judge will decide if there's enough evidence against Schrader to order him to stand trial. Prosecutors say Anton had to give up his law license in 2007 but kept taking on clients and cases and needed Schrader, who still has a law license, to work those cases. Anton waived his right to today's preliminary hearing. Lori Fulbright, the News on 6.